So we're going to do the pasadas. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. From the beginning. If we do it from this side, you're going to know we're doing like in basic one. We go down, pushing on the floor, a little bit to the side. 1. On the end, I go up and I turn the girl. And 2. And I go on my line. The hand from here is going to come here. Then I go 3. Pushing the girl in that direction with the left hand. And then she comes 4. The 4 is again pivot. We go down 4, turn 5. And now I'm pushing her with the right hand. 6. And then again 7 pivot, turn 9. And on this step I go forward, side, and she comes to my other side. So when I do this step, we are here. I bring her 1 forward. Very important for the girls now is to close the legs and side and open. Okay? So we are here. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Turn the body and collect the girl with my body. 4. Balance at 5. 6 power, and I make a small syncopation.